Hello everyone. Today I'm giving you a complete review of Bank of America, one of the largest, most recognized banks in the United States. Whether you're thinking about opening your first checking account, moving your savings, or exploring their credit and loan options, this breakdown will cover the good, the bad, and everything in between so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's start with some background. Bank of America has been around for more than a century and now serves tens of millions of customers in the U.S. and around the world. They operate thousands of branches across most states, along with one of the largest ATM networks in the country. That's a major plus for anyone who likes the security and convenience of having a physical branch nearby. In terms of products, Bank of America offers pretty much every financial service you could need. There are multiple checking account options, including accounts for students, everyday banking, and premium banking for higher balances. Their savings accounts range from basic starter accounts to higher-tier options with slightly better rates. Beyond that, they offer credit cards, home loans, auto loans, small business banking, and investment services through Merrill, their brokerage arm. The big selling point here is convenience. You can keep most, if not all, of your financial life in one place. One standout feature worth mentioning is their Preferred Rewards program. This is a tier-based loyalty program that rewards you for keeping higher balances across your Bank of America and Merrill accounts. Depending on your tier, you can get perks like higher interest rates on savings, reduced loan rates, bonus credit card rewards, and lower banking fees. For customers who qualify, the benefits can add up to hundreds of dollars a year, but you do need a combined balance starting at $20,000 to get in at the first tier. Their technology is also a strong point. Bank of America's mobile app consistently ranks among the top banking apps in the U.S., offering features like mobile check deposit, Zelle transfers, bill pay, budget tracking, and spending analysis. They also have Erica, their AI-driven virtual assistant, which can help you find transactions, keep track of upcoming bills, and even offer financial tips. The online banking platform mirrors most of these features and makes it easy to manage your money from anywhere. Now, let's talk about fees, because this is an area where Bank of America gets mixed reviews. Many of their checking accounts have monthly maintenance fees, but these can be waived if you meet requirements like a minimum daily balance, qualifying direct deposits, or being a student under a certain age. Overdraft fees have been reduced in recent years, but they still exist, so you'll want to monitor your account closely to avoid them. Savings account interest rates, unless you're in Preferred Rewards, are generally much lower than online banks, so it's not the best place to grow your savings purely for interest. Customer service is another area with varied feedback. Many people have great experiences, especially with in-branch staff who can provide personalized service. However, experiences with phone or online support can be inconsistent, and with such a huge customer base, wait times and issue resolution can vary depending on the situation. Security-wise, Bank of America uses strong encryption, account monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. Your deposits are FDIC insured up to the legal limit, so your money is protected in the event of bank failure. So, who is Bank of America best for? It's a great option for people who value having a nationwide branch and ATM network, want a wide variety of financial products in one place, and can qualify for Preferred Rewards to get extra perks. If you rarely visit branches, don't want to worry about meeting minimum balance requirements, or are hunting for the highest savings rates, then an online bank or credit union might be a better fit. Overall, Bank of America is a solid, well-established bank with extensive resources, modern technology, and a wide product range. It's not perfect. The fees and low interest on standard savings are drawbacks, but if convenience, accessibility, and brand trust matter most to you, it's still one of the top full-service banking options in the country. I hope this video is helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.